Okay, so didn't film an intro either when I was filming this Get Ready With Me. I seriously don't know where my head was at. I just started filming the makeup part, didn't film an intro, didn't film an outro. So here we are. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can tell, this is a Get Ready With Me for a night out. She's all over the place. I mean, what's new? But yeah, so thank you guys for clicking on this video, and if you want to see how I got ready for my night out, keep on watching.
Don't look at me. Filming. My brows are already done because, like I say in every single makeup video, I'm lousy at brows, so I never show them. But I'm just going to now prime with the CoverFX blurring primer. I'm almost out of this, and kind of cutting it close to the end of the bottle. So, but I mean, isn't that what we always do? So then I'm gonna go in with foundation. Ooh. I'm gonna mix together the Armani Power Fabric and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, because the Armani one that I have is a little bit too light for me. So I just mix it with the Wet n Wild one, and it's good. So I feel like it says a lot about me that I mixed together a $70 foundation and a $5 foundation. We're fine over here. We're okay. Please stop looking at me. I also have to leave my house in less than an hour, and we are only on foundation and my hair is still wet. I love doing things last minute. Also, sorry about the lighting. It's dark outside. I don't have any lights, and my room light is so yellow, and I have my phone flashlight literally right here shining on me, just as another form of light, so it can be a tiny bit better, even though it's probably making me look really washed out. So I don't know why I do this to myself, but it's fine. We're okay. So I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna use the Fenty one. My skin's been having a heart attack lately and been breaking out so much, so I've been trying to stay away from makeup as much as I can. I literally don't think I've worn makeup for 2 months. Just because I'm trying to get my skin under control. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but we're doing our best. Oh my god, my camera battery is at red again. What the frick? Let's hope I can get this done before it dies, or else we're switching over to my phone because I don't have the patience to wait for it to charge, and I also don't really have the time. So if the quality ends up changing, you heard it here first, it's because I'm a piece of shit. So today I booked the Airbnb for my LA trip in November. Super excited. I literally can't wait. I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm so excited. It was so expensive though, and I kind of want to cry, but it's fine. We're doing fine. I'm just cream contouring a little bit. I've been really liking this when I do my makeup because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural and kind of, I don't know, does something for me. I'm just using the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. I'm always afraid that my contour underneath my lip is gonna look like I ate chocolate and didn't wash it off. Okay, time for powder. Oh my god, my back! I look so washed out because of my phone light. Great. Okay, this color Morphe, this Morphe 523 brush, and I'm taking the e.l.f. Contour Kit. I'm just kind of gonna go over the cream contour. Okay, Kylie Cosmetics blush. I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors collab with Desi and Katy, the Mirame shade. My friend also gave this one to me and I'm obsessed with it. Like, look how pretty it is. Like, what? She snapped. Glowing. Okay, so I'm gonna put setting spray on. Oh, I'm gonna put setting spray on now, just the Too Faced Hangover spray. So the camera hasn't died yet. Still shitty lighting, but okay quality because it's a camera. So I'm gonna put lashes on now. This is gonna take me forever. But I'm gonna do something that I don't usually do that might help me quicken the process. I'm gonna line my upper waterline with some black liner. This is just the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I got it forever ago. Probably shouldn't be using it, but we're going to. So we're just gonna enjoy some music over top of this part because I literally won't be able to speak when I'm doing this because I just need to put all of my energy into focusing. For like half a second there, I was literally about to go and try and do a wing. Then my logical half of my brain was like, bitch, what the fuck are you thinking? Don't. Babe. Can you bring me a Q-tip? Oh, thank you. We did it. Kinda. Okay, please don't mind the lighting. It changed. My camera died literally as I finished putting this liner on. But I'm almost done, so like I really don't want to wait for it to charge. Like I literally just have to put my lashes on and then put on some lip gloss and I'm done. So I'm just gonna do it on my phone. I'm gonna put my lashes on, filming on my phone, and then yeah. So I feel like this is my brand, just bad quality. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. Literally still use these because of Desi. And also they're the only ones I have. So I ordered like 3 pairs. They were having like a 3 for buy 2 get 1 free deal. So like I literally just ordered 3 pairs. And I'm gonna be gross and pick the glue off from the last time I used them. Hi, dog. Hi, cook. Okay, bye. I really wish I had someone to like do this for me, but I also really like hate when people touch my eyes. Like, I used to dance when I was younger, and like before I knew how to like put the lashes on and do the makeup, my mom had to do it for me, and I always used to flip my shit when she would like go near my eyes. Don't know why. Maybe in a past life I had my eyeballs ripped out of their socket. I have people texting me saying they're gonna be there like soon, and I'm like, okay. I'm like, yeah, me too. Okay, it's on. Let's see if it stays. I hate that the inner corner, it doesn't look like it's too far up, but I really don't want to take it off and do it again. I might just fuck with it until it works. Okay, time to do the other one. Let's see if I can do it in a timely fashion, because my friends are literally leaving